My name is Max Schultz, and in this video I am going to show you how we trade commodities and futures based on COT report. First of all, we don't have current COT data due to a cyber attack. Mid-merge we will get current COT data, but we have COT signals, old COT signals. They are still active, and based on these COT signals we did trades last week. We traded last week, and here are the results. We traded multiple strategies based on COT data. COT1 strategy, with this strategy we started in the trading in last trading week with an portfolio with 2 open positions. We were 4 contracts short in Australian dollar and we were 3 contracts short in British pound. Both positions were little bit in minus. We ended up the week with the same position. We didn't open new positions, and as you can see, the open equity of both positions are good in plus. First of all, let's check CRB index. As you can see, CRB index, this is an index for commodities prices, is going sideways. We don't have trend, not upward trend, not downward trend, and therefore we, as you can see on the watch list, we had the same number of markets on buy side and on sell side. Usually we check the CRB index trend, and if we see we have strong upward trend, so usually we have more markets on the buy side. Let's speak about our open position British pound. As you can see, we got 2 sell signals on the same price level. On this chart you see this is a very strong resistance, and the market pulled back from this resistance. Based on this data, we decided to open a short trade. So as you can see, we are still in the market. Downward trend is not strong enough now. So we have first of all to make new lows. So if we make new lows, we move our stop closer to the market. Next open position we have in Australian dollar. As you can see, we have also here strong resistance, and the market pulled back from this resistance. In our free webinar, we showed that we expected a correction in dollar index. It means all other currencies will be under pressure and we will see downward trends. So now it happened what we expected, and therefore we opened these 2 trades, and now we still in the market, and the open equity is very good in plus. How we manage this open trade we will show you in our trading plan. This trading plan we post in our member area for our members. If you want to become a member, please check our website. On the next step, I would like to speak about startup account. This is a small account with a size of $30,000. We decided to trade this account size because a lot of members have small accounts, and we want to show our members how we trade small account. Especially here is very important to be careful in terms of risk and money management, and we would like to show example how we manage our small account. On the left side you can see a picture of a portfolio we started with in the last trading week. So we had 2 positions in our portfolio, also same position as in a big account. We were short in Australian dollar and British pound, and we ended up the week with the same positions in our portfolio. We didn't open new trades. Both positions are good in plus. Next strategy is COT2 strategy. Also based on COT data, this is a more aggressive trading strategy. So usually we have here more entry patterns, the risk and money management more aggressive. Therefore, you need more experience to use this strategy. We started in the week only with 1 position in our portfolio. We were short in heating oil, and open equity was a little bit about $4,000. During the week we closed the position and opened a new position, New Zealand dollar, so this position is still open. During the week we open and close one more position, so I will show you. As you can see, the weekly results is a loss of $976. So here's the first trade in heating oil. So as you can see, we open and short position, and the market went down until the resistance. So then on Tuesday it was clear, so resistance hold, and we moved the stop close to the market, and we were stopped out with a profit of $3,754. Next trade was Mexican peso. Mexican peso, this is the we did two trades before, very successful. As you can see, the trend continues to the upside. We decided to open a new trade, a new long trade. So the stop was very tight, and we were stopped out with a loss of $4,730. So if the market or if the trend will continue, we will try to open a new long position, but more you will see in our trading plan. This is an open position in New Zealand dollar. We are 8 contracts short in this market, and the position is still open. Our weather trading strategy, this is strategy based on weather analysis and COT data. We are invested in oil ETF. This is natural gas ETF. And as you can see, the position is now in minus. So we have now bullish news from weather analysis. So we expected that the price will go to the upside. So if we will have hot summer, so the price will increase a lot, because people usually use a condition in the hot summer, so this needs more electricity, and electricity is produced by natural gas, so mostly, and therefore we expected a bigger demand of natural gas if we will get hot summer. On the next step, I would like to show you our current watch list for common trading week. So we will trade 2 accounts, big account and small account, and for both accounts we have same watch list. So the first market is British pound. We have an open position here. We have to manage a stop loss in this market, but we want to have more confirmation from the trend continues to the downside, and then we will move the stop loss. About the details we will speak in our trading plan. We will post this trading plan for our members in our membership area. So next market is Australian dollar. So we have here downward trend, as you can see on the daily chart. So we decided to take a part profit. So and to the move for the rest of position, to the move stop loss to break even point, to the entry point. So so we will have some profit. So and if the market continue to go, if the downward trend will continue, so we will stay in position and we will profit from it. Next interesting market is soybean meal. So we have here a new contract. So on the weekly chart with the 57 not adjusted contract, you see here gap. So if you check the May contract, you see that the market is on the move sideways. And this is very interesting situation, because the market the upward trend can continue to the upside, then we will search for long trades. And if we will see here a trend change, so we will try to go into the market short. All the updates we post in our membership daily. So if we plan here a trade, we post the trade in the front in our membership and in our Telegram channel. Soybean oil. We don't have current COT data, but my experience tells me that we will have here some buy signal based on COT data. So, and we have also here very strong support. So we expected that the price will go up until 80. So, and therefore also the seasonal trend, as you can see, the seasonal trend for the next time is also to the upside. So, and the spread, so the spread we saw on Friday some weakness in the market, but the spread was stable. This is a sign that the market is strong. Soybean oil. On the daily chart, you can see a triangle. So, and we expected a breakout to the upside based on data what I showed before. Mexican peso. This is very interesting market because we had here some resistance, and yeah, the market broke this resistance. Now we see a very strong upward trend. So we tried to go to trade this market, but the stop was closed. We were stopped out, but we will try it again. As you can see here, seasonal pattern is also very strong. In the last 15 years, the time period from March, beginning of the March, until beginning of April was very strong if you trade long. As you can see, 93% profitable trades and average profit $1,214. Very strong seasonal pattern, and we want to profit from that. So therefore, we have this market on the long side. If we will see trend continue in the next week, so we will open here and long position. So more if we have an entry patterns here, we post these entry patterns with entry price, stop loss and target in our membership and in the Telegram channel. Feeder cattle, so we have here some resistance and the market comes over this resistance, but the seasonal trend is to the downside, and therefore also the spread is here bearish. So as you can see, and therefore we don't trade this market longs. We stay on the side and wait until we will see here bullish spread. On the short side, we have heating oil. But now heating oil is on resistance. So in upfront, we have strong seasonal trend. So we expected higher prices, and therefore we stay on the side and we don't plan here new short trade. So if we will see some weakness in the market and the price will go down under the low of this bar, it should be Friday from the week before. So then we will see that the downward trend continues, and then we will search for an entry pattern for a short trade. Cocoa. So we saw some strong market due to the news, so weather news. But we expected that the market will go back to the range. As you can see, very wide range here, and this range will hold. So, and therefore we have this market on the short side. So we expected that we will see some downward trend. So also seasonal trend is to the downside. So spread is neutral. So therefore we will focus on short trades for the next week in cocoa. This was a quick overview over the markets, what we have on our watch list. If we create a trading plan and record a video, we speak about all the details and post these trading plans for our member in our membership. If you want to become a member, please check our website or use a link below in description of this video. See you next week, your Max Schultz.